Hello friends, welcome to Edus Garden. Today we are going to see a video on the 10 most beautiful plants in the world. This is really an interesting video to all flower lovers. Actually, a flower is a more prettiest thing in a plant. The plant that is in the 10th place of the most beautiful flower is the cherry blossom. This plant is too beautiful. Cherry blossom is the 10th most beautiful flower. For this, even there is a festival. A festival named Cherry Blossom Festival is celebrated in DC, Washington. In that, more than 3,000 cherry trees is in the full bloom. This full bloom comes in the spring season. These flowers also blooms in the spring season. The festival is on March 27, 1912. This form of the genus is Prunus genus. This is the most flowering plant in the Japanese. The Japanese name of cherry blossom are called sakura. The blossom of this plant indicates arrival of spring. The ninth most beautiful plant in the world is the bird of paradise plant. It is really the most beautiful plant. This plant is the native to South Africa. On the blooming of this flower looks like a bird of paradise. This is also known as the crane flower. There is a bird named Paradise in the South Australia. This bird's name had been kept for this plant, and this is the species of banana, and this blooms from the May through September. These are orange colored. These grow in good sunlight. The next eighth most beautiful flowering plant is bleeding heart. This flower is so beautiful to see. This flower symbolizes love. In each arching stem, we can find 20 heart-shaped flowers. These are in different varieties. The normal colors seen are pink, red, yellow, and white. These grows in a moist and cool climate. These flowers bloom in spring. These flowers grow up to the summer and dry and die up in the hot periods, and again starts germinating in the spring. The most beautiful flower in the 7th place is Dahlia. Dahlia is known by everyone. Dahlia is a great flower for all plant lovers. Totally there are 45 species of Dahlia. They vary in sizes and colors. The minimum size of Dahlia is 2 inches and the maximum size of the Dahlia is 20 inch in diameter. The blue Dahlia is not seen. Not seen refers it is not rare. There is no color, no blue Dahlia in this world. And then it is native to Mexico. Today it is widely cultivated. These flowers bloom in midsummer and first frost, that mean in the winters. The next is the water lily. It catches the 6th place among the beautiful plants. The queen of all aquatic plants is the water lily. There are more than 70 different types of water lilies in the world. They grow only in the shallow freshwater ecosystem like ponds. Decide the attention grabbing beauty. This balances temperature and provide a excellent habitat for fishes. These gives the good habitat to the fishes. Each flowers open in the morning and closes in the evening. And then the common colors of this flower is pink, white, blue, orange, purple and blue. And then the next is the grey Sannia. This catches the 5th place in the beautiful flowering plants. This plant is native to South Africa. It has a bright color and attractive has a silver leaves. These are too pretty. Grows in full sunshine. Starts blooming in the midsummer and continue throughout early fall of the flowers. And then the common flowers found in these plants are orange, pink, white, red and yellow. It is sun-loving plant and not blooms in the evening and cool days and blooms in hot temperatures. The next is the lotus. Lotus is the 4th most beautiful plant in the world. It is a sacred flower of Buddhists. This symbolize purity, harmony, divinity and grace. The most beautiful aquatic flowers include lotus. These are found in shallow, murky waters. They can't survive in cold conditions. These need full sunlight for healthy growth. Flowers open on days and then closes on the night. These flowers live only a day. These grow up to 20 centimeter in diameter. The leaves are round and grow up to 60 diameters. These gives pleasant fragrance and are even used in scents. Now we are going to see the 3 most beautiful flowers in the world. The 3rd place is caught by the tulips. These are more beautiful as a flower. These play an important role in the flower lover's mind. These are too beautiful. Flower garden in Netherlands up to 32 hectares are occupied by tulips. In the spring, there are full of tulips. More than 300 varieties of tulips is found. 150 different species are found in the world. Some of the types are cup-shaped tulips, and then mostly blue color tulips are not found. These live only for short times. These blooms in spring. These are open for 5 to 7 days. Each stem has one flower and they only live for a short time. And we are going to see the second best and the most beautiful flower in the world. The second most beautiful flowering plant in the world is orchids. There are more than 2500 species of orchids. These have a good relationship with animals. There are many kinds of orchids in the world. Some of them are the short flowering orchids and the long flowering orchids. The short flowering orchids bloom before noon and the long flowering orchids blooms in the evenings. They attract the pollinators to the garden. And then these are mostly parasitic kind. The most of the orchids are the parasitic. Most of the orchids feed on parasitic mode of nutrition. This parasitic mode of nutrition mean that feeding on other plants or feeding on host, but they are not so dangerous for the host plant. While the other parasites are more and more dangerous, others can kill the plant, but the orchids even help the plants. The flower that catches the first place in the most beautiful flowers is the rose. This is cultivated by humans from 500 BC. That's 500 before Christ. This flower is the most beautiful flower and symbolizes love and then true love. The natural lotus have only 5 to 6 petals, while Rosa sericea, a natural kind of rose, have 4 petals, and then these are found in different shapes. There are 100 plus different species of rose. The white rose, red rose, yellow rose, orange rose, and then more hybrid rose are also found. And then the hybrid rose and the other breed rose have many colors, and then many petals are also found. I had mentioned some of the kinds of roses in this video. Some of the types are free spirit, Santana, high orange, Milva, high magic, Tara, Mohana, cherry candy, freedom, and then forever young and circus. These are some of the kinds of roses, and there are more kinds of roses leaving this. And then if this video is my second English video. If you like this video, give the thumbs up symbol, and then if there is any suggestions, give it in the comment box. And then if you do not like anything in this video, comment, and you feel which plant is the most beautiful plant, you can give in the comment. I have some of the quizzes or questions for you. Who proved that plant have life? Name of the plant that lives inside the water, and then name of the plant in desert. Study of trees. Algae found before how many years? Smallest flower, size and name. What is the weight and size of Rafflesia? Sicuosum perverens is the botanical name of dash. Which flower smells like rotten meat? Seedless plants are called. And then medium used for tissue culture. If you know the answer for these questions, you can fill it in the comment box. For one, this answer, two, this like that you can do, and then post it in the chat box. I will tell the answers of these questions in my next video. And if you like this video, share to your friends, and if you know the answers of these questions, you must post it in the comment box. And if you like my channel and you need the answers for the next, and you need to receive it, subscribe my channel. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching, and then soon I will post the Tamil version of the same video, and you can post the answers in the comment box. I will view that, and which flower you like, you can post it in the chat box. Okay friends, bye. Shall I meet you in the next video?